Good morning, guys. So, just had an appointment to get my orthotics adjusted. I was having a bit of troubles with them, but we're in the E92 today, going around and do some few errands. Gotta go to TG Graphics to pick up some vinyl and pre-mesc material for some project that I'm working on. But the car is done. Or will be done today, I should say. I got a phone call last night saying all the parts are in. They had to order a new axle, so they're gonna get that changed. But I should have the car back today, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, gonna do some errands, and I'll bring you along for when we go get the car. All right, let's get going. We'll hit the road, and I'll see you at the next stop. For those who don't know, we're about to pass the new Peace Bridge here in Calgary. There you go. It's on Memorial Trail. We're heading east on Memorial towards Deerfoot to go over to TG Graphics. Here we have the Center Street Bridge leading into downtown. As you can see, it's a super foggy day today, but kind of looks pretty cool. So we're back at home now. I stopped at TG Graphics. It's a small family-owned operation. I figured that we didn't need to go in and bring them into the vlog, and it's usually personal conversations that we have there, and Neil and Janice are good people and we get along with them really well, so I didn't feel like bringing them along in there. But we're home. We got the E90 parked in the garage for now. I got a message from Kurt saying that he has my axle out and the diff fluid looks pretty dirty, so he's gonna do a flush on the differential, front differential, and get that all cleaned up, so it should be nice and fresh for next year. And we did get the vinyl for the project that I'm gonna be doing this weekend. Which we'll document that for you. Hopefully we're gonna do that on Sunday, depending on obviously the weather and timing and what his schedule is like. But so we're home now. Gonna go in, have a coffee, and wait for the BMW gallery to give me a call so that we can go get the F30, and I'll be sure to bring you guys along. BMW driver's on the way to come and get me. We're gonna go get the F30 from the dealership. All the repairs are done, car's ready to go. Differential oil's changed, axle's changed, oil changed, just ready to go. So I'm just gonna wait for the driver to come pick me up, and we'll go get the car. So you guys can come with me, and once we pick the car up and I take it out of the dealership, we'll talk about what's new and what we did to the car. Anyways, stand by, keep watching, and you're about to know. New axle, oil change, differential fluid's been changed, and the modification has been complete. What is it, you ask? Well, let's see if the old one is in the trunk. Any guesses yet? VRSF catless downpipe with the Corsa exhaust. I just got it home, so the car's like really nice and warm. So what I'm gonna do is it's already running, so I'm gonna place you guys down at the back and just give you a quick sound clip of what VRSF catless downpipe and the Corsa performance exhaust sounds like. All right, here we go. Well, there you go. Yeah, it's a little obnoxious, but not overly loud. Obviously that is without, there's no tune put on the car. I put the car back to stock before I took it back to the dealership. I'll re-flash the ECU with MHD stage 1, and then we'll do another sound clip. It's starting to snow again today, so I don't know if the car is going to come back out again. I think this is probably the last day that it's going to see the roads. I'm going to get the car put up on the quick jacks and get the wheels off, and then start working on the next modification. Obviously you guys are aware that I still have to install the height sensors for the airlift system, so I'm going to do that. I'll probably do that over the next couple weeks, and then I do have even more modifications that are sitting in the basement ready to go on. What do you guys think I should do next? Comment below, let me know. Yeah, I'd like to see what your guys' opinion is of what I should be doing. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's vlog. It might have been a little bit short, as I didn't film a lot of this stuff, but hopefully it was some good content. I just wanted to say big shout out and thanks to Kurt, thanks to Earl for taking care of the car, getting all the service and everything done, taking care of it while I was in the shop. I really appreciate it, guys. If you need anything with your BMWs, I wouldn't hesitate to go see Earl at the BMW gallery. Excellent service. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment below. I read everybody's comments and will comment everybody's comment. So thanks for commenting. For those who have been commenting, have a great day and peace out.